Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Final Cut Pro on Mac, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have closed Final Cut Pro if it is currently open. Open the Finder application on your Mac. In the Finder sidebar, click on Applications to access your installed applications. Locate Final Cut Pro in the Applications folder. Once you find Final Cut Pro, click and drag the application to the trash icon in the dock. Alternatively, you can right-click on Final Cut Pro and select Move to Trash from the context menu. After moving the application to the trash, you may want to remove its associated files for a complete uninstall. To do this, open a new Finder window and click on Go in the menu bar. Hold down the Option key, and you will see Library appear in the drop-down menu. Click on Library to access your library folder. In the Library folder, open the Application Support folder. Look for a folder named Final Cut Pro and move it to the trash. Next, return to the Library folder and open the Preferences folder. Search for files that contain com.apple.final cut pro in their name. Select these files and move them to the trash as well. Additionally, you can check the Containers folder in the library for any related files. Open the Containers folder and look for com.apple.finalcut.pro to delete if found. Once you have moved all associated files to the trash, right-click on the trash icon. Select Empty Trash to permanently remove Final Cut Pro and its associated files from your Mac. Restart your Mac to complete the uninstallation process. After your Mac restarts, Final Cut Pro will be completely removed from your system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.